In this video, we will learn how to use outline view in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your PowerPoint, and here I have a one slide. So I'm going to add here the title PND Tech. Okay. Then add here the subtitle. Subscribe, please. Okay, I just add here the subscribe. Okay. Now I'm going to use the outline view. Just go to the view tab, and in presentation views the second option is the outline view. Just click on it and you can see this is the outline view. Okay, the first is title showing, okay, with subtitle also showing. Okay, if you have a number of different slides, you can see here the different outline also. I show you here. I just click on the normal again. Now I add here the one slide. I just right click on it and click on the new slide. Okay, so I just add here the PND. Okay, then here like. Okay, okay, now I going to use the outline view. Again go to the view, and here I just click on the outline view. Now you can see in first showing the title and subtitle PND Take on first slide. Okay, on second slide have a PND and like. Okay, these are the word. So same as if you have a number of slides, suppose you have a 4 slides in this presentation, 5 slides, so here the 5 points is showing with the title and subtitle. Okay, so this is a way you can view the outline. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.